so many awards, so many short films, and I really like that one word. You know what?
Yeah.
Research. So my question is, what are the parameters you are putting into that research? Because you've done lots of research, you failed a lot. Again, you've done a research because you innovate, you adopt, and you always. I see that hunger of excellence. That what is that missing? I have to check in that because that's what you. I feel Amir Khan in you. You know, one movie per year. So that instinct is there. So I just want to know that what is that instinct and what is that research parameters. Over to you. Thank you.
For research parameter, I would say that usually the research work which other people do, whatever their profession might be, it is different. When it comes to film research, filmmaking research is different because we do research work according to the structure which we are adopting to make a film, whether it is a documentary film or whether it's a feature film. So we divide it into three parts. If I want to talk about film research, which is beginning, middle, and end. For example, and then in this film research, we do research for the negative shades. We don't look for the positive part. We look for the negative shades. Say, for example, if a farmer is a protagonist, then how many people are antagonists to them? We do research work into antagonist angle because positive angle is already there and there are a hell lot of research material available. So that is that you can easily gather from anyone who is a field expert in that. But to do antagonist research work, you have to spend a lot of time. So this is how a film research happened. And if I want to give an example of a documentary film, in the first, say for example, I'll give you an example of the documentary film called The Unseen Disaster, which got 15 international awards. So first 5 minutes, I will speak about the topic, because whenever an audience, say suppose they don't have knowledge about biomedical wastage, first I will speak about what is biomedical wastage. So I'll just give a knowledge to my audience that what is biomedical wastage and a brief definition of that. Then I will tell that this is not been treated properly. In the first 2 minutes only, I'll put my audience into question mark. Because these days in the video content, if you won't put your audience into question mark in the first 1 minute of your film, then you won't get a retention. Why will people watch a 50-minute film, 60-minute film, or a 2-hour film? You have to give that question mark, and then in the complete film, audience is looking for that answer. So I initially give that question mark, and then in the later part, I'll take the emotional level of the audience at the peak. That if biomedical wastage has been not treated properly, I'll give statistics. Worldwide, this is happening, that is happening. And then in the middle, which is second 5-minute part of the film, there I will speak that if this has been not treated properly, then lot of disease will happen, lot of viruses will spread. So that awe factor, oh my God, this will happen. Oh my God, that will happen. So I'll take into that zone. And then in the last 10 minutes, I will just select one perspective or one point of view or one individual who is trying to solve that. And I'll select his point of view, and I'll tell that, okay, this individual or this organization or this body is trying to solve this biggest problem which is there all around the world. And then from there, solution starts.
And end is the solution.
Yeah, end is the solution. And in the last 2 or 3 minutes, we go with future. What is our future vision? And what is that if we all come together? In the last 1 minute, you have to appeal that let's come together.